Hi all, today's topic is Stokes theorem. Single integral over f into dr equal to double integral over curl dot f vector into n vector into ds. First problem, verify the Stokes theorem for f vector is given in the question. Taken round the rectangle bounded by x equal to plus or minus a and y equal to 0 and y equal to b. First step, what is the given? We have to draw it in a diagram. So I have drawn here. I will roughly show you the diagram so that it is easy for you to identify. So how we have to draw it means, for example, your x-axis, your y-axis, okay. So what is the question given? X equal to plus or minus a. Plus a I will fix it here. Minus a I will fix it here. Okay. So y equal to 0, it is 0. Y equal to b somewhere here. Okay, so this is our diagram. So join everything. So the full region is, this is our full region. This fully is nothing but y equal to, this is nothing but, everyone know this line is nothing but y equal to 0. This line we know that it is nothing but x equal to a. It's nothing but x equal to a. This line is nothing but x equal to minus a. This full line is nothing but y equal to b. So all the points we know. So that only it is shown here. Okay, so this is rough diagram. Now we have to do it both left and right because verify it is given. First I will take right hand side. Before going with the right hand side, first I will find curl dot f vector. I will find. I'm going to do right hand side. I have to do right hand side. For that I have to calculate curl dot f vector. Curl is nothing but del cross f vector is nothing but curl. Okay, del everyone know what is the procedure of writing. Del is nothing but I vector, j vector, k vector into dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Okay. So f vector, in the f vector, correspondingly I vector, the corresponding coefficient, that you have to write it here. X squared plus y squared. In the j vector, corresponding coefficient. So minus 2xy, you have to write it here. K vector is not given, so it is 0. If it is given, that term you have to write. This, you have any doubt in curl dot f vector or del cross f vector in my previous video, okay. So you can cross check it. You can understand clearly. So now I vector is a determinant, normal determinant only, matrix determinant we have to find. I vector when I multiply, this is nothing but I have to multiply this minus opposite diagonal. So it is nothing but 0. This with respect to z I do, it's 0. So 0. Minus j vector into same way j vector when I do it, 0 minus 0. So again 0 only. K vector when I do it, k vector when I do it, this with respect to x when I differentiate, minus 2y. Again minus of this when I differentiate, it is minus 2y. So I am getting the answer to be minus 4y k vector. So completed. Curl dot f vector we have calculated. Okay. So now we have to do double integration right hand side. It's nothing but double integration over curl dot f vector into n vector into ds. So double vector minus 4y k vector n vector. Okay. So you have to see the diagram. Only it is xy plane. Z at all we did not involve z. So always n vector is a unit normal vector or outward. It is a meaning outward which is not there. That is your n vector. So it's nothing but k vector only. It's not there because j vector corresponding vector is nothing but k. It's a k vector. So n vector is k vector. So ds, which is our plane, that is the ds. For example, our plane is xy. So xy plane. So xy plane means ds is nothing but dx dy. ds is dx dy. So we have to substitute n vector instead of that k vector. ds is dx dy. We know that k vector into k vector dot product of k vector is nothing but 1. Okay. So it's 1. So next I will write double integral over minus 4y dx dy or dy dx, your wish only. So x, then only I can write dx dy. Outside is y limit. Now I have to find x limit and y limit. X limit means horizontal strip. Horizontal strip, x limit, this is our horizontal strip. Okay. So blue color, shaded blue region. Like this I will do it easy for you. The limit you can find it like this way. X means horizontal, Y means vertical. From which direction it's given in the question, according to that we have to follow it. Okay. So now you check, this is our region. Okay. So shaded. Okay. From left to right. So minus A to A is our X limit. Minus A to A. Okay, Y limit vertical strip. I will use some other color so that you can understand. I will use highlighter, yellow color highlighter I will use for a Y limit. Vertical strip. So vertical strip. Okay. This is our vertical strip. From 0 to B. Limit is from 0 to B. Okay. 0 to B. Y limit. So integrate it, you get your answer. So that is for a right hand side. I'll integrate it. So 0 to B. First I will integrate it with respect to x. X parameter I don't have at all. So it is x only. So a2 minus a dy. So 0 to b minus 4y. So a minus of lower limit again plus a. So 2a will come. So 2a here 4. So 8 minus 8. A is a constant. I will take it outside. 0 to b. 4y dy only will be there. Y dy again integrate it. So it's nothing but y squared by 2. So 0 to b. So get cancelled. So minus 4a will be there. So y square I have to substitute 4 minus 4ab square. My right hand side is RHS. I'm getting the answer to be minus 4ab square. This answer only I have to get for left hand side also. I'll show you how we are getting. Okay. So completed. Now left, how we have to do means left hand side, check the diagram. With respect to diagram only you have to do. Plot the area. Some you give any parameter. For example, this as A, B, C, D. Okay. So AB, this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction. Okay. The same way. Okay. Direction. So now for single integral, I have to do along AB, BC, CD and DA. When I complete only, I will get the single integral of the full region I will get, area I will get. So that only I am going to do. I will use for a left hand side. Now I am going to do with the left hand side. I will use some other color for full left. So now left hand side, LHS I am going to do. LHS is single integral over f into dr. Okay. So it's nothing but along AB, along BC, along CD, along DA. Okay. So now when I take along AB, x equal to A. That line is called x equal to. Along BC is nothing but y equal to B. Along CD is nothing but x equal to minus A. Along DA, y equal to 0. Okay. So one problem you understand, all will be the same concept only. shape, it varies. Rectangle, it may be square, or it may be cube, or it may be parallelepiped. Whatever the shape, the same procedure. But cube means you will be having 6. Okay, parallelepiped also same 6. Some they may ask you to omit. So that and all we have to omit and do. So later of my video, you can check it's a square or a parallelepiped. Okay. So now x equal to a. So x means we have to write y limit. So what is my y limit? Check in. Y limit means always you have to see the diagram only. Y limit along AB. Y limit, you check. This is little I have shaded, so you may get the confusion. You can take this. Okay. So now y limit for AB. AB for a y limit. From down to up it goes. So the up means 0 to B. Y limit is 0 to B. Okay, we have to write 0 to B for a y limit. So along AB, y limit is 0 to B. So in terms of y means x limit. In terms of x means y limit. In terms of y means x limit. So only limit you have to find. Again you check for BC. Go with the diagram and you check BC. That is a position BC. BC, this is a position. Okay. From here, from right to left it going. So right to left it going means a to minus a. The limit of x is nothing but a to minus a. Okay, same way CD, when you check CD you check, this is our CD. Okay, CD. Okay, CD, when you check from top to down it's going, it is for a y limit. So B to 0. We have to write the limit to be B to 0. Limit to be B to 0. Same way when you write it for DA when you write it, DA. Okay. So minus A to A. X only we have to write. So minus A to A. Because it is a horizontal strip. So minus A to A. So like this you write it clearly so that we will not do any mistake when you do like this. Okay. So now I'll do my calculation. If dr, everyone know that dr is nothing but xy plane only. So xy plane means only x and y, z we will not write. So dx into I vector plus dy into j vector. Already our f vector is given in the question, that you have to write x squared plus y squared into I vector minus 2xy into j vector is a question given. So f into dr you multiply it. F into dr we have to multiply it. So when we multiply I into I vector is nothing but 1. So I into j vector it is 0. So only correspondingly we have to multiply it. So our question will be x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy into dy is our f into dr. So that we have to calculate it. Then only we can do all. So now you will not do mistake means you can do it in single or like a table format you can do it. It's your wish only, whichever whatever is convenient your way only. Like this table format you can do it. This is AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay. So now single integral over, in this question x equal to a you are going to substitute. So x equal to limit already we have written 0 to y equal to 0 to b, that you write. Okay. So x is a, dx is nothing but 0, dy is 0, dx is again 0, dy is 0. Okay, so now a, now dx fully 0. So this fully 0 minus 2 x is a, y as it is y dy. In this second BC, when I write y equal to b, I have to use y equal to b dy 0. This fully 0, y only b. So integral over limit is a to minus a. So our question is now in this I have to substitute x square as it is. So x squared plus y squared is replaced by b squared, y squared is b squared dx. Okay. So in the third, same way when I write it, x equal to minus a dx is 0. So this fully 0 only in this. So x equal to minus a, x is minus a, already one minus symbol plus. So 2 into a y as it is dy. Limit is nothing but b to 0. Okay. Next fourth. So dy is 0. Dy 0 means this fully 0. So in this y also 0. This also will go. So limit will be minus a to a. Only y squared. Y is 0. So x squared dx. So completed. So like this you write it means we will not do any mistake. It's not wrong like this table format if you do it. Okay, now integrate it. You will get 4 answer. Add all. So minus 2a as it is. So y square divided by 2, 0 to b. So answer I am getting minus minus. So a b squared. Correct? This 2 get cancelled. Minus ab squared. So in this when I do integration with respect to x I have to do x cube by 3 plus b squared x. So when I substitute minus a to a. So when I substitute it, this is my final answer, minus a b squared. In this when I substitute minus simple, so minus a cube by 3. In this when I substitute minus a b squared, minus of lower limit, minus of lower limit means a cube by 3. Okay, in this when I substitute minus symbol, so minus a b squared. So when I simplify it, I'll be getting minus 2a cube by 3 minus 2ab squared. I'm getting the answer to be this is our answer for the second integration. My third integration 2a constant y square divided by 2, it's b to 0. So when I 2 get cancelled, minus ab square. I'm getting minus ab square. Fourth integration x cube by 3. So again when I substitute a to minus a. So a cube by 3 minus of lower limit. Again minus a plus a cube by 3. So it is nothing but 2a cube by 3. Okay. So add all the 4 answer. You check this and this, cross check. Minus 2ab squared minus ab squared minus ab squared. So left will be all are same. So minus 4ab squared. Now check with the right hand side answer. Minus 4 ab squared. So hence proved. So this is the way we have to hence